What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mike Brooks from Mike's Madden School, and I just wanted to put together a quick video for gamers who are just starting and or people who are just starting out on YouTube. And I wanted to put together for you my top 5 copyright-free music that you can use straight from the YouTube audio library, and you don't have to worry about going to different sites, maybe accidentally download a virus, all that good stuff. So just take it straight off YouTube audio library and be able to download my top 5 music that will bring out the best in your videos. And before I get started with this video, if you like this content and would like to see more, my goal on this channel is to help gamers make money playing video games, as well as I put some gaming content out myself. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that bell notification icon, and you will never miss any of my videos. And without further ado, let's get it started with song number 1.
How's the evacuation going?
Bad. Rocks on and underground are all over. It's like a war zone.
Are you safe? My mom?
We made it. There was about a dozen people.
You're breaking up. Where are you? Ganky? If you can hear me, I'm on my way. Hang tight, man. Please. Never seen a storm this bad.
C4. My arms are yours. Leave. I recognize that uniform. It represents a school for the weak and feeble.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. Round 1. Fight.
And there you have it, my top 5 copyright-free music straight from the YouTube audio library. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and if you want a part 2 where I can go find some more stellar top flight copy-free music, just place it in the comments below and I will do that, make a part 2 for you. And as of right now, this is my favorite track, so I'm just gonna let it play a little bit. Thank y'all for coming. Class dismissed.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.